Started recording. Today we are gonna do texturing for the interior scene. So this is the model we have done. In the last class, I have explained about the properties of the few of the materials. Okay, like Blinn, Lambert, anisotropic, Fongi we have seen. So let us use different materials along with the different textures. Okay. So first thing here, floor. We have to identify what are the type of material which we need to create. We have floor. So floor will be having either granite or vitrified tiles. This is a carpet. Carpet is a cloth material. Okay. And we have sofa set. Sofa set, it can be fabric or it can be leather. We have a TV unit, some unit, like this can be treated as this particular thing is made up of wood. Okay. And this is a ceramic pot. Okay, something fine. And these are wall. I think we have one holder for curtain, and this is a metal. This is wall paint, and we have a ceiling part. And in ceiling, what we'll do, we'll create uh, kind of false ceiling, something like this. Okay, we'll create a false ceiling, something like this. Okay, so even we can create something unique. Let's say we make it something like this, something like this. There are two things. I select both the thing. I select both. In modeling, what I'll do, mesh boolean, I make it difference. Okay, it's not working. Okay, it's not working. Let me have a standard one earlier, which I have done. Okay, fine. Let it do something like this. Okay, and let me create a cylinder. This cylinder, I'm gonna place it here like this. Okay. I'll make it smaller. So I select these cylinders. I'm gonna duplicate this. I'm gonna place it here. So it's like these are the lights, okay? Kind of spotlights or something, okay? Fine. So now I think I can make it even smaller. I made this total 0.5, so it looks like this. I can make it 0.3. I think it is okay. And I'm gonna group this, modify center pivot. So the purpose I made is, so that I can select this group at any point of time I want. Okay, first thing what I'll do, let me show you how to apply. Another shader, Arnold shader. So what I'll do, I go to Hypershade here, this round circular one. So in the last class, we have seen default Maya materials. Either in Maya surface, you can take, default Blinn or Lambert. So this time I'm gonna take Arnold. In Arnold, AI standard surface. I click on AI standard surface. Okay. And in AI standard surface, select this, go to attribute editor. So I assign existing material, right click, assign existing material, AI standard surface. Okay. Now you can see AI standard surface has been applied. I want this to look like a light. So here preset is there. I click on the preset. I make this look like incandescent bulb. Replace 100%. Incandescent bulb, replace 100%. Okay. Now if you see, these are looking like bulb. Some kind of brightness is there. Okay. So next what I'll do, I'm gonna select this. I want this to look like, so I want this to look like a floor. So for this, again here, I'll create one more. This is in double click on this. You can name this as bulb. I click on one more AI standard surface. So this is floor. Okay. So for this, how do I apply? Select this, right click, assign material to viewport selection, or select this, drag and drop this to this. Both ways are there. So now in this material, there are few options like color. Under base is nothing but, this all represents color. I need to change this to Arnold. Okay, so what I'll do, I need to apply a color for this. See, you can change the color here. For that, what I have to do is, I need to use a floor tile. Use a floor tile. Images. Floor tile texture. Go with floor tile texture. The multiple type of floor tile textures are there. Okay, so different type of textures are there. So just pick which type you want or which is suitable. I'll select this one, this particular one, right click, save image. Okay, so since I did created a project folder for this interior texturing, in source images folder you need to copy. Source images folder you need to copy the files. So I'm selecting this floor. Under color, click on this, take an empty 2D texture. Okay, take an empty 2D texture. I'll show you one more time. This is the floor material we have applied. Click on color. Under 2D texture, empty file is there. Click on empty file. In this place, click on this folder so that you get a play, automatically it will go to source image. Select this image, open. Now when I press 6, you can see this image like this. Okay, why? Because this is not properly unwrapped. That's what we have to do. So this particular floor, this particular object is clearly visible in y-axis. So we have to do mapping. Okay, I'll go to UV, planar mapping. There are multiple mapping is there, cylindrical, planar, spherical. I'll go with planar, go with option box, choose y-axis. Okay, I'll show you the difference. Here, this checker box is there. No? This is the UV texture editor. When I click on this UV editor, you get to see here. Now see this particular object, the UV of the object looks like this. When I make this in y-axis project, what happens is, see the UV of this particular object will be something like this. and you can see very clearly the tiles. See, this is how you'll get to see the tiles. Okay. Now what I'll do, in color, this is a tile which we have applied, right? Under file, go to place 2D texture. I can repeat this structure, means the tiling. Repeat UV one by one is done. If I make this 2 by 2, it looks like this. If I make this 4 by 3, it is something like this. If I make this 8 by 6, it's like this. Okay. Something like this. Okay. But this texture is looking like this. I can change some other texture. Floor tile texture, seamless. There is one more thing called seamless. Seamless textures looks really good. I'll click on floor texture, seamless. You get lot many options. Or else I can go with granite. Granite flooring, or I'll go with floor only. This is another image. Okay, I made like this. This is okay. This looks good. So now what I'll do here, I'll go to the floor material, which is Arnold standard surface. Specularity. Specularity weight, I'm gonna reduce to this much. Something like this. Now, this is a carpet. Okay. Right click, assign new material. Again, I'll go to Arnold AI standard surface. This I name it as carpet. Carpet. Okay. And this one, I want the preset. I want this to look like no problem. We'll make a customized one. I'll go with carpet. I save this image. Now come to Maya. For this one, go to color, take an empty file under 2D texture, take an empty file. This is an empty file. So here we will be adding our carpet image. Now our carpet image is looking like this. Why? Because this is not unwrapped properly. See, this is not properly unwrapped, right? So what I'll do is I select this. I'm gonna unwrap this in y-axis. See, planar mapping y-axis. I did unwrap. So now, see, this is looking something like this. This is really good. Okay. So this one, I want to apply like a metal. Right click, assign new material, Arnold, AI standard surface. So this is metal, METAL, metal. Now the preset. Brushed metal is there. You can go with brushed metal. Replace. I can make the color a bit darker. This is okay. Even darker. Okay, fine. I want these things to look like wall, right? I want this one, and this one to look like wall. Assign new material. I'll go with AI standard surface only. This is the most popular material and multitask, can be used for multi-purpose. Wall. So preset. mm, Simple. I'll go with some color. Let's add some sort of this cream color to this. Okay. And no reflection. I don't want any specularity because wall doesn't have any specularity, right? Okay. I made it like this. Even color, if you want, we can change some of for color. Okay. This is a TV. This is a TV thing. I'll apply right click existing material. I'll go with metal. Okay, this looks like metal. And this one, I want some sort of cladding to be done for this, like a wall cladding or something. Okay. So I need to unwrap this one first. So I can see this object very clearly in this axis. This axis, that is Z axis. So I select this. I need to unwrap this in Z axis. Planar mapping, Z axis, project. Okay, let me apply new material. Arnold, AI standard surface. And this is wall cladding. Okay, no weight, no specularity. IO or index of reflection I'm going to reduce. In detail, you will be learning more, okay, in the coming sessions. Here, instead of plain color, I'll go with an empty file and I need to search cladding texture. For TV wall, okay, this looks good. Save image, photo, something. So I'll come over here. Let me search. Okay, we have it like this. Now I need to do a place to texture. Let me check Okay, this I make 3. This is fine. This I make 4. Just give me a second, guys. So far, like I have added wood texture over here and this for the glass. Already there is a preset here. I have picked the same. And for the wood texture, what I'm doing is, since I don't want any reflection for the wood, I'm just reducing the weight here and this color, specular color. Okay. I think most of the things are done. I need to work on the Okay, this also let's make wood only. Existing material as wood. This is also wood. This will make fabric. Okay, but we need to do a unwrapping. So for this sort of object, we can go with automatic mapping. There is one more thing called automatic. Automatically, properly unwrapping will be done for this. This also automatic UV automatic mapping, and I'll select this. This also UV automatic mapping. Okay, properly textures are like uh, distributed properly. So for these objects, uh, so I need to pick some other thing. Okay, I think this I like. So I'm gonna save this image for the ceramic part. So here what I'll do, this one I would like to unwrap in a circular way. Let's say cylindrical mapping. I do cylindrical mapping for this. It's simple in cylindrical mapping. When you do that, projection horizontal sweep is 180. Make that into 360. Similarly, here, select this UV cylindrical mapping. Make this into 360. Okay. For this and this, Let me apply new material. Again, Arnold shade standard surface. Edit delete by type history. This is ceramic. So color, take an empty file. Something like this. In the color, if I try to do 2 by 2, not this, let be 1. If I try to make 3, I think 2 is okay. This is fine. Okay. And this is ceiling. I select these two, I apply new material, Arnold shader. This as a ceiling. And I want ceiling to be in white color. No specularity, no stand. In specular, reduce things, that's it. I think rest, most of the things are done. I think everything is done. I'm going to save this file. Now, very interesting part is how do we do the rendering? Choose Arnold renderer. Then in Arnold, under light, there is something called sky dome light. Pick sky dome light. Now there is a sky which is here. I'm going to increase the intensity to 2. Okay. I think that's it. Nothing else. When I take a render, it takes some time. And it looks good. Okay. So we can make this look like, I think some sort of reflection is coming on the carpet. We can remove the specular IOR is there, no? We'll make it 0. Okay. So there are a lot of small patches are there. This and all we can remove. Okay, not an issue. At least I want you to, like work on up to here. Okay. Just apply some material so that it looks really good. Okay. Any doubt, MD?
No, I've got everything, sir.
This is really interesting. So try to apply multiple materials and based upon their property. Okay. And let's get an output. So by next class, can you show me some output?
Okay. Will do, sir.
Okay, man. But make sure you are rendering this in Arnold. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then. See you on next class. So I'll be uploading this video. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, man. Take care. Bye-bye. Any doubt, MD?
No, I'm okay, sir. It's okay.
Great, man. Just inform this to your friends, no? So this is a very important session. Okay. I want them to, come up with an output.
Yes, sir.
Okay, man. Thank you. Bye.